My name is Grant Masinzo. I'm 17 years old and I'm in the graduating class of year 13. I personally think it's two things, the people and the environment, because sure, you can have a great big aesthetically pleasing school, and our school is that. It's situated around and infused with nature all around us, but I think it's the people who make or break a place. I personally have found great friends, even people I would call brothers here. I've found friends, mentors among teachers, and there's a great sense of unity and brotherhood, for lack of a better word, amongst not only classmates but also the whole school. We stick with each other, we stand by each other. I'm currently studying biology, physics, chemistry, maths, and further maths here at MIS, and I'd like to study maths and physics or maths and philosophy in the US, because I feel that's where I'd be challenged the most to fully pursue and unlock my capabilities and potential.